Today we are looking at the Dream T30 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This was very kindly sent to me by Dream. They did not ask me to say anything in particular, neither was I paid for this review. If you want to pick this up, I will leave a link in the description box below. Before we start, if you find this video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section and subscribe to watch more reviews. So as you can see on the box, a 150,000 RPM high-speed motor generates powerful suction with a force of up to 190 air watts. If I just turn the box around this side, it has some information there. So you get a 90-minute runtime, that's in the eco mode. Some information regarding the brush bar. It has a carbon fiber wand, which will be really light, and it has a screen at the back as well. Okay, let's unbox it. We'll go through all the parts, then of course I will need to charge it, and then we'll do some demonstrations as well. We've got some paperwork, a mounting template, quick start guide, a well-written instruction manual in different languages, a soft dusting brush. This will be good for your computer screens. A charger. I need an adapter because I'm in the UK and our sockets are the 3-pin ones. This is a 2-pin one. A mini brush. This will be really good for car footwells, pet bedding and your mattress. You could remove the brush as well if you get any hair caught up. You put a coin in there, twist that, and the brush bar will come out, and then you could take the hair off and put it back in. It pivots as well. We've got some charge points at the back there. This has its own motor, 20 watts it is. The main brush head. It's got 2 wheels. It's got some charge points there. This has a 40-watt motor. Look how big that suction path is. It's got a center suction path. The way the brush is designed, this would be good for picking up larger debris. It's got 2 little wheels there, a felt strip there. At the back there, it's got some teeth. That's to stop hair getting wrapped around the brush bar. You could gain access to the brush bar as well. You don't need a coin for this. You just twist it this way and that would come out. You could wash this, and even the smaller brush, you could wash that as well. But make sure they're completely dry before you put them back in. And that you could clean with the cloth. That is really like that. It is actual carbon fiber, not just a carbon fiber effect. Powered by Dream. It's got the 2 charge points there at the back. If I just show you there. That's what it looks like from there. A 2-in-1 tool, a crevice tool. If I move that forward, it's a dusting brush. But this isn't as soft as the other one, so you shouldn't really use this on your computer screen. We've got some mounting hardware there, charging / storage base. So we've got 2 contact points there where you would put the cleaner to charge. And all the tools live on board as well. I just grab one of the brushes. This is a flexible adapter, so you push that grey button there. This fits in between the main body and the wand, so it makes it easier to go under low furniture. I really like the size on this crevice tool. It's got some branding there. It has some charge points there because this crevice tool has 2 LED lights up the front there. I have never seen a crevice tool with LED lights. If there is one out there, do let us know in the comment section below. I forgot to show you this. It's a good job I had another look inside the box. It was in one of the corners. This is a stretch hose. It will make cleaning difficult to reach areas a lot easier. So that part would fit into the body and you'd put your tool at the end of there and stretch it next. Okay, the main body. We get a removable battery in this, and I'm happy that Dream have done that, because on some cleaners the battery is built in, and once the battery goes you have to replace the whole cleaner. But with this, if the battery goes, you could pick up a spare battery from Dream. To release the battery, just push this button here and pull it outwards. Some information on the battery. That's what it looks like from the bottom there. Max line there for the rubbish. Release latch there. At the bottom, this button here, if you push that back and pull, the bin would come out. You have some filters here that need maintaining. So at the top here, that's the pre-motor filter. Dream recommend to wash this every 3 months, but if you use your cleaner a lot more, check it every month or 2 months. Make sure they're completely dry before you put them back in the machine. The cyclone and the shroud, that is removable as well. It has a lock off and a lock on there. Just get this handle, just twist it and pull it out. Again, this is all washable as well. So it looks like the bin. Put it back in, just push it in and then twist it. The filter sits back there. Then we have another filter here. This is the HEPA filter. And again, that's got some information there as well. So just pull that down. Dream recommend wash this every 4 to 6 months. But as I mentioned before, it depends how much you use the cleaner. If you use it a lot, check it before that. Because if your filters are dirty, you will lose suction. That's what that looks like from there. And this would only go back in one way, you just push it back in. To put the bin back on, you could see it's got a little hook there. That would match up with that there. Tilt the bin that way first and then push it up, back into place. It's got some air outlet there, one on this side as well. Charging port at the back, that's the on-off switch. You could either use this cleaner by pushing this trigger button here. When you release it, the cleaner will stop. Or you could use this lock button up here, that's for continuous cleaning. So if I push that continuous cleaning mode, push that, it will go off. This button is also used to reset the filter. So if you keep hold of it, so once you wash your HEPA filter, hold that down for a few seconds and it will reset. This button here, that's to go through different suction levels. So I push it once, that's auto. Dream recommend it, use the cleaner in auto mode. You will get the best performance that way when you're using it on hard floor or carpet. At the top there, it says dust level. It shows you a graph of how much dust is collecting as well. I'll show you that in action when I'm using the cleaner. And we've got the mode there, it's yellow color, time, and the battery status. If I push that again, eco mode, you could see there 90 minutes and 10 seconds. Push it again, that's medium mode. It's saying we'll get a runtime of 35 minutes. But these times will change, of course, because it depends what you're picking up and what tools you are using. Turbo mode, 7 minutes and 4 seconds. If I hold this button down for 3 seconds, it will bring up some more information. Record, if I push that down, last 7 days, but I haven't cleaned anything yet, but it will bring all that up. You have the option of selecting a different language as well. So just hold it down for a few seconds. To select a language, hold the button down for a few seconds. I've put down some tea, cornflakes, rice and some biscuits. These white pieces of string are representing hair. On the brush bar there are some teeth there. They to stop hair getting wrapped around the brush bar. I will be using the same stuff on carpet. As for the mode, I'll be selecting auto for both hard floor and for carpet. It's brought back a few biscuits and a few grain of rice, but that's in one pass. This tool is useful for cleaning under low furniture. Just to demonstrate, I will show you now. I've put a chair here. That's as far as it will go. Well, if I go a bit down, and the wand is touching there. So now what I'm going to do is remove the wand. Now with this tool in place, all I do is I push this button and the cleaner could go really low. In one pass, it's picked everything up. Because this is a thick pile carpet, it was slightly difficult to push. I have put down a lot of stuff, but I am doing a demonstration. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the mode from auto to eco. That should make it slightly easier to push. Let's see how well it does in performance as well. Yeah, it's a lot easier to push in eco mode. And it's still performing okay as well, but that was a lot less. Let's just go over here. The graph there showing the dust, time remaining there. And it's on the lock mode, I have it continuously running. My overall thoughts, as you've seen, it's a powerful cleaner. It comes with a lot of attachments. Build quality is top notch. I really like the carbon fiber wand. It makes the Dream light. making this a good choice for elderly. There are two things I would have liked to see. Firstly, if there was a charging port on the battery, you could charge the battery without the body. It would take up less space. I still appreciate it has a removable battery because you can use a spare battery to increase cleaning time, but the battery on this is good. Secondly, the floor head should have had lights. In my opinion, no floor head should be without lights. They are so helpful in cleaning under low furniture. I mean, Dream have included lights in the crevice tool, which is fantastic. I don't understand why they left the head out. Maybe in the next model they could include them two things in. That's just my opinion. Performance wise, it's spot on. Thank you to Dream for sending me this out. Link in the description if you want to pick this up. Hope this video helped someone out. If it did, a like would be appreciated. Subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.